So let's start with the new project. Right now we'll be doing the traffic light project. So drag an Arduino. For the traffic lights, we'll be taking 3 LEDs. So drag 3 LEDs over here as well. Change the color of the LEDs. You can keep the first one as red, the second one as yellow, and the third one as green. As we know, connect all the cathodes to ground. You can color the wire itself to black as per our convention. Drag the LED is over here to align them all. And let's connect this here. And this here. You can adjust it like this. So our cathodes are sorted. Let's take resistors. So I did not think ahead and take enough space for resistors. So I'm just going to move my Arduino a little bit down. We're going to take 3 resistors over here, for one for each LED, and I'm going to change its value to 100 ohm. There, we are done with our resistors. Let's connect the anode to one terminal of the resistor and to different pins. So now I have decided to put this as 12, this one at 11, and this one as 10. You can choose your own pins as long as all of them come from digital pins of 0 to 13. I'm going to leave it as green because green seems like an okay enough color. And the final one to 10. We can adjust all the alignments so it looks a little more organized. Right. We can even pull this up. Yeah. So that's our circuit basically for traffic lights. Now what we really want to do is we want the red light to blink for 1 minute. Wait, to be on for 1 minute, not blink. Yellow to be on for 20 seconds and then green to be on for 1 minute. So click on the code window, remove the default code, select the second one and change the pin to 12. Since our red LED is connected to pin number 12 over here, it's a digital output or input pin. So we have selected that and turned it to high. Go to control and select wait. Since we want it to be 60 seconds or 1 minute, change the value. Next, duplicate the block, put it over here. Now here you are going to change the value of high to low first. So we are going to change that. We are going to first switch off the 12th LED and then we are going to switch on the yellow LED which is connected to pin number 11. So just change this to pin number 11 and we are set. You can duplicate this again here and post it here and change it to low, except for this time we are also going to change the value back to 60 seconds as we want the green LED to also stay on for 60 seconds, that is 1 minute. Now we need to switch off the previous LED, so we need to switch on the green one. We have switched off the previous one over here. So switching on the green one, we are going to see where the green one is connected is on 10th. So the pin over here will be 10 and set to high. And the final block you need over here will be setting the 10 to low again. And that's pretty much your code. When you click on start simulation, you'll have to wait for a minute because so the red begins glowing when since you start, and you have to wait over here for 60 seconds to get over. As soon as the 60 seconds are over, you will see it will shift to yellow, and after the 20 seconds of yellow being lighted up, you will see that it will shift to green, and that's pretty much your traffic simulator. If you want to see what your code looks like in the text, you can simply stop the simulation and go to the drop down and select blocks plus text. That way you'll be able to see what your code would actually look like in an IDE for Arduino. So we are really close. 10 more seconds. Yeah, 10 more seconds and we will see the shift to yellow. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and yeah, there you go. The yellow lights up and the red is off. And in 20 seconds, it will shift to green. So that's all for Traffic Light Simulator.